What's up, everybody? My name is Mark Disher. I'm with Cleer Vision.
Hi, I'm Lisa Dami, and I'm also with Cleer Vision.
Today we're on site at Alliance RV to show you how to replace a 3622 exit window.
First, you're going to take the screen off just for the install. Pop that out right here. Put it right here, just so that I can have my free hand right here. Ideally, what you want to do is start from the top and go all the way down. So that's the ring on the stove. There you go. It's 36 right there. 36 right here. 22 right there. 22 right. Yep, that's good.
When you're installing, this is what's called the screw boss right here. This is where the screws need to go. Your trim rings will line you up into that screw boss. So you don't need to worry about it, but that's where the screws will go into, right there.
You're gonna grab from right here, from this outer ring, and install it right there. Make sure it's nice and tight, just like that. Now, we're gonna use a trim ring. This part right here should be hidden inside of the wall. So we're gonna install it just like this. Push down. Right here. Make sure you don't get it all the way in yet. That's just a place holder. Okay.
Perfect.
There. So make sure you get this drill right here on this ridge on the screw boss. From there, just a point of contact. Right here. Again on the screw boss. Alright, once I have the forward points of contact, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can go from top to bottom. Show how that little tuck right there. There we go.
Yep. Perfect.
So it's gonna go from the top. Feel like it's easier like this.
He was gonna do it on the big one.
Go. You got the replacement window right here. You got the trim ring right here. Screen. Now let's see if it actually works. Oh, look at that. Like a charm.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video was informative to you. Again, I'm Mark Disher here at Cleer Vision. We just wanted to take a quick second and shout out Alliance RV. We're here at their headquarters here in Elkhart, Indiana. They were gracious enough and good enough partner to us to let us come out and shoot on site on one of their units. Hopefully it's been informative, guys. Talk to you soon.